So we got a package. I wonder what's in here. I know what's in here. I bought a cable for my Nexus 5X because it came with a Type-C to Type-C cable, and I need a normal micro USB to Type-C to transfer all my photos and all that. So this is what I bought. What's inside? Yes, look at that. Cool. This is just paperwork. So it is Aukey RAM. Take this out of the box. Oh, pop. So yeah, this is it. Aukey USB 3.0 to USB-C for sync and charging cable. So I think this is, I hope it supports fast charging. So this is the 1 meter length, and yeah, it supports fast charging and up to 5 GB per second USB 3.0 data transfer. And I think this comes with 24 months warranty, or actually like how many months, I don't know how many months, but it's a long month. So yeah, let's open it. Here, just rip this thing. Give it. Give it. Give it. So I bought this for around 40 ringgit Malaysia, and I think you can get this for like $9, $9 US. Oh, it's tight. Ooh, that's nice. In this little package. Uh-oh. I just ripped it. How the... Oh, this is very like stiff. Come on. Get right there. Oh yeah. Okay. 2 connectors. 1 meter. As you can see. So this way, this is the USB Type-C reversible. Brand Aukey right there. Or Aukey. So this is the USB Type-C connector, and you have the normal USB 3.0. Awesome. And it's like braided. As you can maybe not, maybe you can't pick it up, but it's like it's braided. Nice. It's see, you can, it's gonna stay however shape you want it to be. So that's cool. I think that's interesting. Okay, let's see if this actually fits with my Nexus 5X right here that I just bought. Type-C to Type-C. goes in. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna need yeah, this way or this way is in. As you can see, this is like a side note that hold on. So yeah, I got an update. Ooh. Nope. 7.0 update. Nougat, yes. So I'm gonna be recording the Nougat update soon, pretty soon, because I still want to use my marshmallow because I like marshmallow. And this is the fingerprint. Boom. Okay, so fingerprint test again because I like doing this test. Roll time. 1, 2, 3. 1 second. And you know, this is like some shade to Apple's new OS 10, which is always on display. Bruh, what? We've had that Android? So it's like kids. Okay. And then you pick it up. Boom. Always on. This is called ambient display. Okay, Apple. So yeah. So you're not the first one to do this. Ha ha ha. I love this phone. And yeah, I'm going to be testing this thing out. So let's find a USB 3.0 plug. Let's go. So this is the charger that it came with. As you can see from my unboxing video, it's a USB Type C to Type C. Type C to Type C. I found a power bank. So I've already inserted it. Okay, moment of truth. See, this got juice. Okay. Let's see if what happens. Yes, it's charging. You see that? See the icon? It's too bright. There. But it's charging. Cool. I don't think it charges rapidly though. Oh, it's charging rapidly. Awesome. And it's not in focus. But it's charging rapidly. It says it's charging rapidly, which is cool. Good. Which is what I wanted, for it to charge rapidly. So yes, I bought the right one. I definitely recommend. I recommend this charger for anyone who wants fast charging, because it supports fast charging. So yes, I'm good. I like it. And nice cool design. It gives me what I want, which is to transfer files and datas, and also to charge rapidly, which is great. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.